How often have you faced the challenge of including children with autism in your PE lessons? Navigating through common obstacles like communication barriers, sensory issues, or social anxieties can be tough and may hinder participation and learning. But what if there was a way to overcome these challenges? Introducing Perfect Lesson Plans, a resource designed to aid inclusion and adapt PE lessons for children with autism. Our 28 lesson plans are meticulously crafted, linking to an assessment tool and goal bank to build fundamental movement skills. Each plan details the aim, materials needed, techniques used, activity, learning outcomes, theoretical rationale, and the skills and competencies to be gained. These lesson plans also come with activity modifications to ensure everyone can be included in the same activity. So, what does this mean for you as a PE teacher? Imagine this: your lessons transformed through these plans, managing the behavior of every child, including autistic children, so that learning can take place. Picture a class where everyone is included, where the joy of movement is shared equally. Think of the confidence you'll instill in your students, the skills they'll gain, the barriers they'll break. With perfect lesson plans, you can turn challenges into opportunities for inclusion and growth. Are you ready to revolutionize your PE lessons? Empower yourself with our inclusive lesson plans. Visit www.perfectproject.org to explore these resources. Perfect Lesson Plans, your guide to inclusive PE teaching. Co-funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the European Education and Culture Executive Agency. Neither the European Union nor the European Education and Culture Executive can be held responsible for them.